Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Velli, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, in earlier class already we discussed what some of the important problems using torsion equation. Today class is a bending equation. This is a, if you design any shaft, this is the most important. Design of shaft subjected to bending. Design of shaft subjected to bending equation is M by I is equal to stress by Y. Sigma B is stress denoted by sigma B. Okay. In earlier class torsion equation we are using shear stress, but in this bending equation we are using bending stress sigma B. Okay, in this equation M is equal to maximum bending moment, sigma B is a bending stress always denoted by sigma B. Next, moment of inertia is denoted by I. This moment of inertia is depending upon type of shafts, that is for suppose solid shaft. In this solid shaft I is equal to pi by d power of 4 by 64. For hollow shaft, already we know that solid shaft like this. In this solid shaft there is only one diameter, that is d. For suppose hollow shaft, in this hollow shaft already we know that hollow shaft there is two diameters, like first inner diameter di is denoted by di, outer diameter is denoted by d naught. Okay, for hollow shaft I is equal to pi by 64 into d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4. Okay, d naught already we know that d naught outside or outer diameter di is equal to inside or inner dia. Okay, this is a moment of inertia. Okay, next coming to the using moment of inertia, like for suppose our next one is J. What is J? Section modulus. In this section modulus is equal to I by Y. Section modulus. In this section modulus, J is denoted by Z. This Z is equal to I by Y. Okay, I for solid shaft. For solid shaft, Z is equal to pi by 64 or pi d power of 4 by 64 by y is equal to d by 2. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 32, and d cube. Z is equal to pi d cube by 32. This is for solid shaft. For hollow shaft, next for hollow shaft Z is equal to same formula, but we substitute hollow shaft moment of inertia pi by 64 into d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4 by I by y, d naught by 2 232 जा. Z is equal to pi by 32 d naught into d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4. This is for hollow shaft. Okay, coming to the our actual equation is m by y is equal to sigma b by y. Using this equation, m is equal to bending moment is equal to sigma b into I by y. Okay, then m is equal to sigma b into z. Okay, yz I by y is equal to section modulus. That's why m is equal to bending moment is equal to bending stress into section modulus. Okay, using this formula, m is equal to sigma b into z for a solid shaft. For solid shaft, z substitute z equation value d cube by 32. This is for solid shaft. Next, hollow shaft. Hollow shaft, in this for hollow shaft, z section modulus is equal to pi by 32 d naught into d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4. Substitute this one for hollow shaft. M is equal to sigma b into pi into d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4 by 32 d naught. Okay, this is for hollow shaft. Bending moment is equal to equation. Okay, next, suppose k is already we know that k constant is equal to what? K constant is equal to k constant is equal to di by d naught. Okay, using this constant value di by d naught, m is equal to same sigma b into pi into d naught power of 4 common 1. This is a d naught power of 4 by d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4 by d naught power of 4. Okay, by 32 d naught by 32 d naught. In this equation, d naught power of 4, d naught power of 4, this is 1, and di by d naught is equal to k constant. That's why. Okay, and next, see here, m as it is, right as it is again. I am writing again pi d naught power of 4 common d naught power of 4 by d naught power of 4 minus di power of 4 by d naught power of 4. Okay, by 32 d naught. Okay, in this one d naught power of 4, d naught power of 4 cancel, and d naught, this one is cube. Okay, in this equation K constant is equal to, already we know that K constant is equal to di by d naught. Substitute di power of 4 by d naught power of 4. Then sigma b into pi d naught power of cube into 1 minus this one is a k power of 4 by 32. Okay, in this one is a final bending moment equation for hollow shaft. For hollow shaft using K constant K is equal to di by d naught. Okay, and next further next one of the important problem is there. The